Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will discuss the second pillar of Islam, namely prayer. The first is the definition of prayer according to Imam Rafi'i, who defines that prayer in terms of language means prayer, and according to the term Shara, it means speak and word that begins with takbir and then close with greetings, with certain conditions. The prayer is defined as a form of worship that includes speech and special body display, starting with takbir and ending with greetings, taslim. From this understanding, I can be concluded that what is meant prayer is a work that is intended to be worshipped based on predetermined conditions, which begins with takbiratul ihram and ends with greetings. Prayer connotes a serving to his creator, and prayer is a manifestation of his service and need for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. From this, prayer can be a medium of supplication, assistance in getting rid of all forms of difficulties that humans encounter in their life journey. Secondly, the fear of prayer. The fear of prayer is 1. Getting closer to Allah. 2. Maintaining obedience. 3. Cleansing the soul and heart. 4. Getting peace. 5. Increasing faith and peace. 6. Getting great rewards. And 7. Maintaining discipline and time. The third is the distribution of the 5 daily prayers, namely 1. Fajr prayer, performed before sunrise, starting from dawn until before sunrise. 2. Dhuhr prayer, performed after the sun has passed the midpoint of the sky, zuhur, until the shadow of the object becomes the same length as the object itself. 3. Asar prayer, performed after the dhuhr prayer until the sun turns golden yellow before sunset. 4. Maghrib prayer, performed after sunset until the red light of the day disappears. 5. Isha prayer, performed after Maghrib prayer until midnight of before dawn. The fourth is the legal basis for prayer, namely that is obligatory in the sense of an obligation directed at every person who has been subject to a legal burden, mukallaf, and a person's obligation to pray cannot be released unless he has done it himself in accordance with its provisions and cannot be delegated for its implementation. Prayer is from one pillar of Islam that is obligatory and must be implemented based in the provisions of the Quran, Sunnah, and Ijma. This obligation was exhibited by the Prophet Muhammad SAW, described as ordered by Allah in Sidratul Muntaha during the Isra and Mi'raj. The fifth types of prayer. 1. Fard prayer. Fard prayer is a prayer that is legally obligatory, and if you do it, you get it. Reward if you are left with sin. For example, 5 daily prayer, funeral prayer, and nazar prayer, sunnah prayer. 2. Sunnah prayer are prayer that if done get allowed, and if not done there is no sin. Sunnah prayer are also called tatawu, nafail, mandu and manzubat prayers, namely prayers that are recommended to be performed